It's a Texas weather discussion video for Friday, the 16th of April. I'm Donovan Neal. Our weather remains unsettled today with scattered showers and thunderstorms at times throughout the evening, but then I can promise a mostly sunny sky by Sunday at the very earliest. So here's the upper air look across the nation this morning. You can see we have a low rotating out in the New England area, another trough up in the north, and down here is zonal flow, and under that zonal flow we have multiple waves allowing for showers and thunderstorms to come through. This was the radar earlier at 9:08. You can see heavier thunderstorms located near Dallas, Fort Worth, but then that will taper off to the east as we progress into the afternoon. Temperatures mostly in the 50s across the region. Arlington at 62, however. We should only be in the low to mid 60s today due to the rain-cooled air and the cloudy skies. Take a look at the watch warning map. We have some flash flood watches in effect for the southern two-thirds of Louisiana, Mississippi, and a few counties in southern Alabama. Go up north, we have some winter weather advisories and warnings out in the New England area and parts of Wyoming and Utah, where winter won't end in those regions. Today, we have a marginal risk of severe storms all the way from the central two-thirds of Texas all the way down towards at least northern Florida. But down here, that marginal risk clips the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, does not include Denton, all the way from Dallas-Fort Worth down to San Antonio, Texas, and parts of Houston, where we have a low-end risk of severe storm. Tomorrow, that marginal risk shifts off to the central Gulf coastal states and parts of the Florida Panhandle. Down here we remain dry, and on day 3, which is Sunday, no organized severe weather is expected, and quite honestly not much thunder across the nation. Rain for the next 7 days, you can see most of it in Florida, and down here anticipating about an inch to an inch and a half of rain through Friday of next week. So, weather weenies, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. You can see we have that cold core low rotating out of the United States off in the northeast, and that's a very, very wet look for us. Let's take a look at the radar, the high resolution rapid refresh model at 1 o'clock p.m. today. You can see scattered showers and thunderstorms. The heavier thunderstorms are located off to the east of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We still have some scattered rain at times. And then Friday at 7 p.m., today at 7 p.m., you can see most of the activity pushing off to the east. We still have some lingering showers here, but I think during the evening we should be mostly dry by that time. And then Saturday morning at 1 a.m., most of the state should be dry. So I do think most of the activity should peak around this time through at least the early afternoon hours, and then we should start to clear out by Friday evening, and then tomorrow we should remain mostly dry. Here's the synoptic scale look for tomorrow. You can see dry region wide for at least a good chunk of the state. We might see some clouds peek out, some sun peek out, but highs remaining in the low 60s because of that chilly breeze with that cold front. And then on Sunday, most of the state should be dry. You know how I said I'll guarantee some sunshine by Sunday? We should have mostly sunny skies by Sunday with highs warming up in the mid 60s. And then mostly dry statewide to begin the week on Monday, where we should have mostly sunny skies with temperatures remaining at a comfortable 70 degrees. Tuesday, we still have some clouds creeping in, mixing sun and clouds though. Highs remain in the low 70s. Same thing on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we could have a mix of sun and clouds, though the temperature will be at mid-50s, seasonably average for this time of the year. And let's go out a week from today. This is Friday the 23rd. You can see we have that shortwave trough near the Arizona-Mexico border, and that will trigger our next chance of showers and thunderstorms by that time. But we'll see that in subsequent forecasts with highs mostly in the mid-70s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday the 26th of April. You can see we have a ridge starting to build up here, and that will lead to mostly dry conditions for actually most of the country. Let's go out to the rain off the European ensemble. You can show the mean is showing just a little below 2 inches through the 1st of May. And then temperatures mostly below or at seasonal averages for this time of the year. We do note that the 26th showing highs in the low 80s again, but seeing how that's about 10 days out, I take that with a grain of salt. And then here's the latest outlook from the CPC from April 23rd through the 29th, suggesting temperatures will be right at seasonal averages for this time of the year. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today on my notes in the blog. The next video here will be Monday of next week. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and Godspeed.